yeah. Say, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. I said, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Let's go. I want to say this sassy up in the house. Let me talk about the people. Now I'm about to shout you out. I'm shouting you the other cause I seen you what you do. Everybody let me tell you, oh that yes you keep it true. She over there the walking bound, yes you doing styles. People's over there and you going by the mile. The mile is over here and you get your steps on. People talking about it and yes I'm getting on. Started as a little one, I work my way up. People's over there and I put it in my work. I see you over there and you kicking up the goods. People talking about it, don't be misunderstood. So now I'm over here, then when I'm over on the floor, people telling me to send a Jada, do you know? Do you know the people that are coming in the chat? Coming over here to do you know I got your bag? Let's go. I seen her out of bring it every day. People telling me the other people wanna stay. I see you over there and you knitting and you yawning. The people's over there and I say you got the yawning. The yawning over there and you say you doing vibes. Vibes is over here and I see it in your eye. I just over here and you say become surprised. People talking about this and do you cook a pie? Let's go. Yes, I'm coming up with my flow. People telling me that and I coming to your door. Door is over here and you coming for the dough. What the kind of dough and you coming at the door? Let's go. Then I wanna say your name. People telling me to send a Jada is the same. Maybe it's the same, but it's up in your brain. People talking about it, so please don't act strange. Now I see 2 peas in the pot dough. People telling me and we about to get more. Coming over there and we coming up a show. Got the arthritis, but she still gonna flow. Still on over there and she got the ASR. Come on over here and she chilling in her car. Now she over there and she wants to get on that. People talking about it and you, yes, I'm liking that. So now that we got 2 peas in pot. Coming over here and then they got it on the gods. Got us over here and you said you want to start. Started over here and you say we got the smart. Now starting over here, yes, we over there. People telling me to let me show you that I care. Let me telling you that when I say you're nice today, let me doing this and I'm doing it my way, saying 1, 2 peas in a pod. I'm a Jada over here and we in a pod. In a pod over there, they're looking up at the stars. Everybody's over here when you in that pod. Let's go. I'm saying your name today. People telling me Santa J crazy, but still I'm over here and you know not a what, not a lazy over here and I'm cutting it up. So let's go. Send the 2 peas in a pot. People talking about the 2 peas in a pot. Everybody got the beat when you going hard. That's the end when we send 2 peas in a pot.